and I think it's going to go all right. Let me explain the game. We're going to play. Yeah, so you probably as you were watching the talks, you're thinking, "This is great. I'm learning a lot. I'm having a great time." But I wish I could defeat the speaker. And
I'm sitting now saying, "Oh, I can do that."
Yeah, I could defeat that speaker.
I know that.
So this is the game. We're going to defeat the speakers. The speakers have 2 lives. So we have 3 chances. We're going to have 3 questions that they've come up with from their talk. We then have to get 2 out of 3. If we do that, we defeat the speaker. And they just remain defeated. The audience, you get to answer. And each person is you can only answer once. So each person will get a chance at answering, if you like, if you know the answer. Andre, we're going to start with you. So please join us to the stage, and please welcome Andre, everybody. Okay, question 1. Would you like to read it? Stand there, look.
I can't read from there.
Okay.
How many screenshots did we have to do manually per load test for our reporting in 2020?
Beautiful. Okay.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand if you've got an idea or you just want to have a guess. And we're going to have a go. How many screenshots did they have to manually do?
Who wants to guess?
We might as well have a guess. Over there.
Where? Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
On my way.
When you put your hand up, if you could make a noise as well, like, ah, or something like that, that'd be great.
I think it was between 20 and 30 per service.
Let's find out the answer.
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Wow. Andre looks very happy with that. Clearly has not understood that he's getting defeated. Okay, next question. I could answer it. I could do it in your accent if you like. No. What error rate in percent do we consider acceptable to pass the load test? Not bad. Okay, what error rate in percentage is acceptable? Okay, we got someone over here. I saw your hand first. Can't really... Can you meet me down here? That'd be great. What's your name and what's your answer?
I'm Peter, and the answer is 2%.
Okay, Peter, 2%. What do we think? Oh, yes, Andre has been defeated. Oh, well, great sport.
Actually, I wouldn't call it defeat. I'm going to just rig the game. I don't think it's a defeat. I think he was a very effective speaker because everybody knew. See?
There you go. Okay.
Mindset.
Thank you. And thank you for listening my talk.
Oh, that's nice. Not as touching as Artie's talk, though, so don't even try. And there was another question there which you can have a go at, but it doesn't matter, he's defeated him. The answer was not Grafana Labs, which is weird. Why not? Okay, Michael, are you in the room? Michael,
Yes.
Please welcome Michael to the stage, everybody. Would you like to read your first question, Michael?
Sure, yeah, of course. So my first question to the audience is that with a type-checked AST, you can perform more complex Go code rewrites. But in my talk, I explained that often it makes sense to reach for the not type-checked AST. Why is that?
Wait, I see somebody.
Okay, we've got a hand up already. Why would that be? What are you doing?
Okay. It's because you can get the AST for a single file, whereas for the type-checked AST, you have to parse the whole package.
Correctamundo.
Wow.
Michael, you lose a life, but don't worry, you've got one more life. Next question. When using JSON, I showed that when you change a number, it might come out different after decoding. Why is that? Who hasn't had a go yet and has an idea? Okay, let's go find them.
Right here.
Yes. What's your name, please? And
Hi.
hi.
Weird, I'm weird. My name is Victor, and it's because JSON only supports floats.
It's because JSON only supports floats?
Because JavaScript uses floats. Yes, yes, you're getting to the meat of the problem.
Okay, you got to the meat of the problem. Unfortunately, it's a vegan conference. Yes, JSON is a subset of JavaScript. Give it up, please. Excellent. Means you're defeated. Yeah, so how do you feel being defeated?
Very bad. It just shows that you're all paying attention, so thank you.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
It's bittersweet. And there was another question, which GoPro to buff optimization was impossible to implement before the opaque API? Anyone have an idea? It doesn't matter. Anyone can shout out.
There's.
Pardon?
Wait.
Lazy decoding, yes. Yeah, all the field access needs to go through the accessors. Okay. Excellent. And next up, it's another Michael, from one Michael to the next. It's Michael Pratt, everybody. Welcome him to the stage.
Yeah.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing?
Good.
I've really enjoyed your talk earlier, and we're going to find out if the audience did too. Would you like to ask your first question to them?
First question is, how many bits of each hash do we use in the Swiss table for each control word?
Okay, how many bits of each hash are used for the Swiss
I see
table
someone
control
all the way in the
words?
back.
Somebody who hasn't had a chance yet to
Yes,
answer.
it's the back here. This is where the people that don't pay attention usually are, so we're going to find out
That is
if
true.
they are paying attention. Where is it?
It's usually the naughty people back here. Sorry.
Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
Sadri.
Is it?
I think it's 7, right?
Is it? Doink! Yes, it certainly is.
Yes.
7 bits. Excellent. The next question. What is the main downside that Swiss table tries to address? Anyone over here? No one answered? Haven't had many answers?
I
from
have
this side?
somebody here in the back.
Oh, all right. Go on then.
Tell us your name, please.
I'm Johannes. Yeah, it's that you have to reorder the whole map if you want to grow it in one operation, which is too expensive. It's better to do it incrementally with Swiss tables.
Okay, Michael, you happy with that?
Yeah, expensive operations.
Expensive operations. Long probe sequences, access and insert performance. That was your second question. Have you defeated? Oh, Michael, you're joking. Okay, Michael's other question was, which data structure does the Go map type use? Which data structure does the Go map type use? Doesn't matter, he's defeated, but let's just do this anyway. Anybody? Yeah.
This side.
Yeah? Okay.
Keep going.
Hello, what's your name?
Hash?
Your name's Hash Table.
Yes.
Hi, Hash. What do you think the answer is?
Huh?
What do you think the answer is to this one?
Hash table?
Ooh, let's see. It would be a big coincidence if true. Sorry. The answer is Hash Table. Yes. Very good. Thank you, Michael. Excellent. Okay, Artie. Are you in the room?
Yes,
Okay, Artie.
yes.
Join us on stage, please. Artie, everybody. Okay, now your talk was quite recent, so this might give you a disadvantage about being defeated. Your first question, would you like to ask it?
Oh yeah, it's right there. Which link should you click on in Gerrit to run tests on different architectures?
Which link should you click on in Gerrit to run tests on different architectures?
The only person that had the answer has a phone call right now.
Let's answer that call.
But Victor already answered. Okay, he muted it.
Okay, you haven't answered already, have you?
No, I have not.
All right, what do you think?
My name is Steven. I think it's try jobs.
Ooh, yes, try jobs. Did you know that already from before, or is that just from the talk?
For the talk, I thought it was very funny, so.
Yeah, it's not that funny, is it?
I think it's quite funny.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, each to their own. Okay. I'm sorry?
Maybe I have strange humor, so.
Oh, maybe you do, yeah. No, I don't know. You can just be you. You just be you.
Yes?
Yeah. Don't let anyone put you down at a conference.
Doing right now.
Yeah, don't be bullied by an MC, is what I'm saying. Okay, next question. Which Google group can you subscribe to for updates on the Go development cycle? I have a question over there, quite deep in the crowd, really.
Here. I'm here.
You want to go?
Well, I can't jump to chair.
Can't jump or won't?
So it's golang dev.
Yes.
Indeed it is. It's the Golang dev group.
Yes.
Very good. Unfortunately, Artie, that means you are defeated. You did such a good job with your talk. But there was another question. Let's see if we can get this one. A proposal goes through multiple stages. Provide the name of one of these potential stages. Is that a hand up, fanning yourself? Are you doing the auction? $100? 100 euros? 120. Okay. Please tell me your name and social security number and mother's maiden name, please.
I'm not American, so.
Congratulations.
I'm Paula, and one of them was active, and the other one was like lightly accepted or something like that.
Ooh, could it be two? Active and likely accepted? Both of them are up there. Congratulations. Very good. Give it up for Artie one more time, everybody. Okay, next up is Jonathan Amsterdam.
Where's
Jonathan,
Jonathan?
are you in the room? Oh, here he is. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Like that.
He got you like.
Yeah. Honestly, I thought he was going to get me when he ran up then. But I got fight or flight instinct. I can feel it. Okay. Jonathan, what's your first question?
What are 3 ways to future-proof an API with options?
Ooh. What are 3 ways to future-proof an API with options? Do we have any ideas?
You can also call a friend.
Yes, you can phone a friend.
Oh, there is one hand.
Oh, there's a hand.
Yes. This way.
You can phone a friend, but you can't do 50-50 because that means, because then you 3 answers.
Him.
Yeah, pass the mic down. Good idea. And please say your name.
I'm Jerry, and I think I just have 2, though. I'll just tell them anyways. So first is to use structs, and second one is to use variadic functions.
Variadic functions, and what was the first one you said?
Structs. Structs is variables.
Someone else will contribute the other answer?
Yeah, okay, so we've got 2 there that will lock in. Anyone else want to try and fill in the third option? Can we remember? Oh, there's a hand over there.
Where?
Want me to go? I'll go.
Go, go, go.
Don't look at me running. Don't look at me running.
Getting your steps on.
Okay, whose hand? Yeah. What's your name?
Clément.
Clément. And where did you fly in from?
Paris.
Yeah. Was it not a trick question?
Oh, no, sorry. I didn't understand that's cheating because I took some notes.
Oh, you actually took notes. Can you do that? Yeah. Yeah.
All star.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Clément, what do you think?
So exported fields or method is a missing one.
Exported fields or methods. Let's have a look. Add exported fields or methods to a type, the option struct or variadic options. And you would have got an extra point if you were able to predict the unexpected quote at the end of option 3, though. Okay. Jonathan, you just lost a life. How does it feel?
It feels okay.
Yeah, this is it. In a way, this format works because you don't really lose, do you?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. You can read this one if you like.
Sure. What's the compiler directive you can use to replace a function call with the function's definition?
What's the compiler directive you can use to replace a function call with the function's definition?
You're going there?
Okay, yeah, we're going to have someone here. Hello, what's your name?
Pancho.
Pancho, and I met you earlier. You were asking about a Gopher, right?
Yeah. Go fix.
Oh, go fix. Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Go in line.
Let's have a look. We kind of have it near us.
He's having a heart attack.
Do we want to keep? Do you
Right
want to have
there.
another guess? I mean, we have to take the first answer, so I think Jonathan's going to be safe. But let's hear it anyway.
Go fix inline.
Tell me every character.
//GO::FIX space inline.
This is such a nerdy conference. I love it. Look at that. He's got it exactly right.
See, that's why he was having a heart attack. He knew it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. But you were very close, and both of you, I think, you'd have got it in the end. Okay, and the final question. This is our chance, because if we don't get this now, we don't defeat Jonathan. So that's quite serious. How would you feel if we weren't able to defeat Jonathan?
Pretty upset.
Yeah, you look like you would be really, really upset. What are you laughing?
I'm shy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Me too. Okay. What's the best way to introduce an experiment into the API? What's the best way to introduce an experiment into the API? Just do it? Don't put any unit tests on it?
Back there. You're
Oh
going.
yeah, I found one. I'm coming, don't you worry. Has anyone actually done this, I wonder? If this is how you do experiments. This is fine. Hello, what's your name?
Diego.
Diego, and where do you hail from?
I come from Cologne, from Kaplan e-commerce.
Nice. And is this your first GopherCon?
Yes.
Welcome. Do you have an answer? Do you think you can defeat Jonathan?
Yeah, it's use build tags.
It's use build tags. It certainly is. Congratulations, Diego. I'm sorry, Jonathan. That means you are defeated. And yeah, very sad.
That was
right.
fast. He ran.
Damien, let's go. Welcome to the stage, Damien, everybody. Going too fast.
Yes.
Damien, is this your first time to GopherCon EU?
Yes, it is.
And what do you think so far?
I think it's wonderful.
Good. Any particular highlights?
I would have to say the last talk.
Oh, yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, so your first question. Would you like to read it?
Let's see. Is receiving from a channel durably blocking?
Is receiving from a channel durably blocking? My New Zealand friend.
But he already talked.
He did already have a go, yeah.
Back there. Yes.
You've also had a go, yeah. You have to. Yeah, that's the
It was
part of the
next
game.
door neighbor.
Okay, yeah, you're allowed. That's okay.
These are the friends that sit together and pay attention together in the back of the class.
You rarely find those. My name is...
I know, I was a teacher.
Yeah, oh, forgot it, sorry. My name is Andre, and yes, it is.
So the answer we got was yes, but only if the channel was created in the same bubble.
And
yes.
he had the full answer. Sorry, my
He certainly did. So we did not get that one. That's okay. We've got 2 more chances. We'll take Damien down. Don't you worry.
I would be afraid.
Okay. By the way, Damien, do you do an audiobook or do you do like podcasts or anything?
No, I do not.
Because I think your voice is so peaceful and relaxing. I would like to be able to listen to it so I could go to sleep.
That's really disconcerting.
Okay. What's the difference between a go routine blocking and durably blocking? I'll read that properly. What's the difference between a go routine blocking and durably blocking anyway? What is the difference? Pop your hand down, mate. You've had yours. You've had your go. Well, I'll come back to you. If
That
you
was
can't
your
find anyone
favorite
else.
talk. I see.
What does this mean, whether it's blocking or durably blocking? What did you mean by that? Does anyone remember?
Meh.
Is that you?
I think durably blocking, if it's blocked by a routine inside the same bubble, and it's like not I/O or anything else.
Okay, what do you think? Do you think he gets that answer? Oh, okay. Well, I need to know, don't I, whether to press the button or not. Okay. Right, let's find out. A go routine is blocked if it can't run. One is durably blocked if it can only be unblocked by a go routine in the same bubble. Congratulations, yes? Okay. We've taken half of Damien down. We've taken Damien down, now we've got to get Neil. Okay. The next question. This is a final chance. So I'm trying to build some tension and also Just burn a little bit of time because we've gone quite hyper on this. Okay. What are the two attributes of a test that uses real time? What are the two attributes of a test that uses real time?
Hello?
Hello. And what's your name?
Like Jeff, whatever.
Jeff. What do you mean, Jeff, whatever?
Yeah. That's my middle name. I'm Jeff, whatever Teal.
Is it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, Jeff. And have you had a good conference?
I've had a wonderful conference.
You've been mostly out there, I saw at the updesk desk.
Yeah. Sadly, I got in here a bit more today, which was good. I only made a couple of talks yesterday, but there we go.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, I'm glad you're having a good time. And you sound sort of like intelligent. Where are you from?
I'm from England originally. I live in Germany. Yeah.
That'll be it. Yeah. That means he's not intelligent. He just sounds it.
Yeah.
That's our trick. Oh yeah.
That is correct.
Yeah. To other people, we sound intelligent. What are they doing?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Do we have an answer?
Yeah, I forgot what the question is. Oh yes.
Okay.
Slowness and flakiness, right?
Slowness and flakiness.
Just like me.
Just like you, Jeff. Slow and flaky. Damien, you are defeated. Give it up for Damien one more time, everybody.
Have you noticed all the speakers, they're like kings when they come over here and somebody answers, they're standing like here like...
Yeah, yeah, I know. It's the power's gone straight to their heads.
Yeah.
Right, it's Brittany. I'm afraid we are going to have to ask Brittany to the stage one more time. Brittany, everybody. Hello, Brittany. How's it going?
It's good.
You posted a selfie of us on the social media. How many likes did it get?
I think it only got like 3 or 4.
It's embarrassing, isn't it?
It kind of is.
Yeah, what the heck?
There's like 300 people in here. Come on, guys.
Okay, would you like to ask your first question, please?
Yeah, I would love to. I think all of the A students have probably gone already, so I'm hoping I have a good chance here. Why is it better to have smaller and more focused interfaces?
Ooh, that's a good question. Why is it better to have smaller and more focused interfaces? And does anyone here prefer just massive interfaces? Who's like, do you know what, I want that. Yeah. New Zealand, Tom thinks big interface for the win. Is your name Tom? Let's just hear your accent. No, I believe you. And did you fly from New Zealand to come here?
Absolutely.
Really? That's quite a long way, isn't it?
It is. It is.
But you didn't.
I rode in a boat.
Right, you rode.
Planes in New Zealand.
You don't have planes yet. You'll love them.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So okay. Okay. Well, you've already had a go. So.
On the row behind him, there is somebody that has the.
Thank you. Hello. What's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis. And where do you live?
Here in Berlin.
Nice. Do you like Berlin?
Of course. Otherwise, I wouldn't live here, right?
I don't know. I don't know your circumstances, to be honest. I also love Berlin, but I don't live here. See what I mean?
You want my answer, I guess.
Yes, but okay. Sorry, I'm not.
Enough of the chit chat.
I'm not professional enough, so he has to be like, "Oh, shall we stick to the thing?" Okay, Dennis. Why is it better to have smaller and more focused interfaces?
Because if you have a big interface and you want to add a function in this interface, it will break everything. But if you have smaller interfaces, you can actually extend them by adding more interfaces.
Oh, that's interesting. Brittany, will you accept that answer? Is that the answer you gave? No. It's not the answer you gave.
Our friend with the yellow polo shirt.
Okay, so we haven't defeated Brittany. We haven't lost that one yet, but let's still find out what this answer is. Hello, what's your name?
Andreas.
Andreas, what do you think? Why is it better to have small and focused interfaces?
Yes, so if you have big interfaces, you force clients to implement methods that they don't use, actually.
That is a very good point. Brittany? So, Brittany thinks that's better. Let's find out. It's easy to read and easy to test. That was in her talk. So, fair enough. Brittany lives on. Brittany lives on. Okay. next question. What are the 3 arguments for rewriting an application? In Brittany's talk, she talked about refactoring, and there are 3 things that they hear a lot about why you should just do a full rewrite. What were those 3 items? And we can have 3 answers here if you remember just one of them.
There's one.
Did you already have a go? Did you? I don't know. You did? Yeah,
Isn't
okay.
that Diego?
That's Diego, yeah. Does anyone remember? Have you ever, you must have said this yourself. Let's just rewrite it because, okay.
Okay, we have one.
Let's go. We can take 3 answers from 3 people here.
Okay, give us at least one.
It'll be faster.
Because it'll be faster. That's number 1. Okay, we've got someone back here. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Spencer.
Spencer, how are you? Why is your voice so low?
I don't know. It's the way I was born.
Well, you were like a baby. You spoke like that.
Definitely. Yeah.
That's amazing. Spencer, what do you think? Why would you rewrite something instead of refactoring it?
Because the current technology stack is holding us back.
Wow.
Because the current technology stack is holding you back. Okay, so that's 2. We just need 1 more now.
We have one more here in the front, and what's your name?
Let's go.
Martin, we can avoid all the mistakes we made before.
Let's have a look. Yes, it would be faster to rewrite. We will have clean maintainable code, and we can use a new stack. Brittany, do you accept that defeat? Yeah, close enough. Congratulations, everyone. We got her. Okay, now we just need 1 more, and here's that question. What is the first step to refactoring? There's a first thing that you should always do.
That's testing.
Indeed it is. Brittany, you are defeated. Give it up for Brittany, everybody. And do you do that when you're refactoring? Do you make sure your testing is always there?
Yeah, of course. I'm a test-driven developer.
Me too. Who else does test-driven development? I have a feeling it's become less popular over time. That's a very small number of people.
That's Bill's fault.
Does anybody not know what test-driven development is? Okay, cool. So you're just choosing to do it wrong. Okay, let's find out who our next speaker is. Oh, well, it's your friend of mine, Dave Cheney. Welcome him to the stage, please.
Seems I didn't actually understand.
I'm sorry?
I didn't really understand what we were doing. I didn't know it was questions about my talk. I thought it was just questions about Go.
Okay, that's absolutely fine.
Easy
That's fine. And you do these a lot. I've been to different meetups, different Go meetups in loads of different cities, and then there'll just be one of these from you, just in random places all over the world. Do you do them a lot?
Not so much now, but I used to. When Twitter was smaller, there was the challenge to fit the quiz into a tweet.
Yeah, okay, cool. Would this fit in a tweet? It would, actually, I think. Okay, so the question is, what does this program print? Dave, would you like to read out the code?
No.
Okay. What does this print? And usually these questions have, like, there's a little lesson in it, or there's a little something you don't expect. But what do we think here? Let's just see if we can get some answers here. I've asked you guys, yeah, I'm sorry. Anyone back here? Any ideas? Oh, yeah, we've got someone.
Right there in the front.
Okay. What's your name?
Leon.
Leon. Where are you based?
Here in Berlin.
Nice. Good city. I like it because it's tattooed parts of Berlin, with the graffiti. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Okay, cool. Appreciate that. Thanks for going with me. Right. Have you got an idea of what this program might print?
I've never tried this, but if I understand the talk about the Swiss maps correctly, it should print 0.
Okay, it should print 0. Why is that?
Because when we add new things to the map during the range, we won't range over them later.
Okay.
No, but it's how the implementation is. Probably not, because it's not in the spec. But since the spec doesn't define it, we don't have the guarantee, I guess.
Nope, that's not the answer.
Whoa.
So, does it or does it not always print 0? Over there. Is that a... Is you putting your hand up? So it always prints 0.
Why? Why?
Because it's empty.
Because it's empty. You don't iterate.
The what is empty?
What's
The map
empty?
is empty, so how many times do you iterate over an empty map?
0.
Right. That's it.
There we go. It's 0. Congratulations. Very good. Quite like that one.
If you're paying attention to the talk about maps, there is a question about iteration and adding things to a map as you iterate across it. But that isn't in scope at this point.
Yeah, see what I mean? There's usually like, sometimes you think, oh, they're leading me down this way, and it's Dave Cheney comes out of your computer and slaps you in the face. Next
So I
question.
lost a life.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Okay, Dave, your next question. You can read it if you like.
So what is the current year of the Gopher?
What is the current year of the Gopher? Has anyone heard of this?
This is a very in-joke. I know.
In the community joke, right? Not just you and your mates.
It's...
Any ideas, anyone? What's the current year of the Gopher? I mean, worst case, we're going to guess a year. So, yes, you can guess a year. I love how that tempted you. What's your name?
My name's Carl. Hello.
Hi, Carl.
Hi, Carl.
Hi.
You all right?
I'm doing great. Yeah. And you?
Yeah, a bit tedious, this.
All right. Is this like a year of the Linux on the desktop thing? So it's 2025?
Dave, what do you think?
So the answer, 2025? No, it is not.
Okay, so it's not that one, so we haven't got him, it's okay. We got the first one. Anyone know any other years? Yeah, there's loads of them in there. How did that convince you to put your hand up? What's your name, sir?
Christopher.
Christopher, where are you based?
Denmark.
Oh, nice. How long does it take you to get here?
About 5 hours with a plane.
Is it? Is it that far?
Including trains.
Including trains?
Yeah, to and from the airport.
Also, door to door. I appreciate that. Yeah, okay. So do you have an idea of this?
Yeah, 2006.
Okay, and why is that?
Because that's the time you use when you're trying to test time.
Well, that's a good answer.
That's an excellent answer. It is not the right answer, though.
Ah, it's not the answer. Any others, or should we put ourselves out of our own misery? Oh, yeah, you can have a go, because this doesn't count. No offense.
I guess it's 19? No.
All right, Dave, what's the answer?
Well, you've got the clicker.
Yeah, so but if you're talking, I'll do it as you're talking. It's going to be dead slick, and they'll think this is a really professional thing.
Oh, no, it gets worse than that, because we have to read a URL on
that's
the
true.
screen. Go on, click it.
Click. The current year of the Gopher is 2021, but why?
So every year, someone on the 1st of January would submit a post to update the contributing documentation. And it became a running joke with David Simmons, and the last update was by Dimitri in 2021. And then after that, this bit of HTML moved to the active Go dev site and was never updated again. So that commit says that 2021 remains the year of the Gopher.
There you go, in joke. And now, when that comes up at the next quiz, you'll know the answer. Okay. Very good. Very good. I think you're going to survive. Let's see, though. We've got another code quiz here before we go. What does this program print? Have a look at that. Min.
This was the very first Go like pop quiz that I did.
Really? This is the first one?
Yep.
Ooh, could that be a clue? Is that a clue?
No.
No, it's not a clue. That's fair enough. Okay. What do we think that's going to print?
I mean, there aren't too many choices. There are only really 3 possibilities.
Any ideas? Oh, okay. We have a hand over here. Oh, we've already spoken because you're hash table, right? You're a different person, are you? Okay. There's someone earlier looks just like you. It doesn't matter anyway, but like Gusso, because he's survived. But what do you think the answer is?
314.
So you think it's literally going to print 340?
No, it will print the mean of A, that is 9,000, and 314 is 314.
Spot on.
Seems quite reasonable. Nice one. Give it up for hash table, everybody. So what's going on there, Dave?
From memory, the original challenge was, can you write a min function without writing a min function? And it was so the most ornate, elaborate kind of LeetCode way of writing a min function.
I like it. Okay, well, I'm afraid Dave survives. Give it up for Dave Cheney, everybody. Next up, we have Ellie. Ellie, are you here?
Yes, she is.
Let's go. Okay.
Oh, yes. That fan is handy here.
Oh, yeah. I'm so pleased you're bringing
no,
it.
it's hotter than here.
I know, and it's so warm up here, isn't it? Ellie. Yes. It's the humans in here that are making it hot. Ellie, would you like to read your question?
Okay, I got a mic here finally. It's possible to express errors in Go either with values returned from a function. No. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! That was good. Anyway. Or by calling panic and then capturing it in a deferred function using recover. Idiomatic Go very strongly discourages the latter. Why?
All right. Any ideas? Why?
I literally told you all.
Okay. Excuse me. What's your name?
Jonas. I think the answer is that if the stack is exceeded, basically, recover won't be called.
No.
Ellie? No?
It's a very good answer and a very pragmatic one, so I approve of it. But no, I don't think that was my answer. Let me have a look. The answer's not there.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's that.
God, did I write that much?
It is tiny.
Oh my God, I feel sorry for all of you. Actually, I'm actually gonna say yes on that.
Okay.
Only because it's only part of the answer. Now all you have to do is find where in there it says it.
Okay, congratulations. So we did it. We took one life. Yes.
Okay, so the whole point is panic causes the program stack to unwind. And so that can result in exactly that, an unrecoverable state because you've run out of stack. But actually the real reason is because it's just really flipping. It's really ugly. It makes code in which you can't always reason about what's gone wrong.
Okay. All right, get ready for the next question. What is the purpose of a Y Combinator? What is the purpose of it? Yes, we have somebody back here. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Kent. I'm going to take a guess here and say a Y Combinator is used to determine a function by using a set point.
Ah, a function using a set point.
It's a nice answer, but it's a little too mathematical.
It's too mathematical. Have you got a less mathematical way of saying that?
Unfortunately, I don't.
It's just non-negotiable on how mathematical he'll answer.
Yeah, I'm low math.
Low math, yeah. My granddad used to call me Math. He did. Jonathan Amsterdam, have you got an idea?
Recursion without names.
Ooh, yes, it's to allow an anonymous function to call itself. Jonathan Amsterdam, everyone. And it's one life down for Ellie. Okay, another really quick question from Ellie.
All right, Go allows functions to be defined as literal values. What's the most obvious problem with doing this?
What's the most obvious problem?
If you happen to be Ellie.
Which you are, aren't you?
I am.
Yeah.
So this is the most obvious answer to me.
So what's the most obvious problem with allowing functions to be defined as literal values? Do you remember this from the talk? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Frederick.
Hi, Frederick. Welcome. And what do you think?
Oh, I think that's because they can't refer to themselves because the name is not bound to the function itself, but to the variable holding it.
Ooh, now that would be a very nice answer if we were asking about the whole unnamed aspect of some functions. Nope. Can we have a second go?
Yeah, let's have if anyone wants to have a stab, what do we think? Oh, you might have to tell us then, Ellie. Oh, Andre, what do you think?
Yeah, I think if you need to pass it to another function, you need to repeat everything, and this is duplication.
See, these are good points that people raise. But obviously, you've never run into that situation where you launch a Go routine and you've set up some value you want to use in it, you forgot to pass it as a parameter, and accidentally, it's already changed value by the time the Go routine executes. Because, of course, the whole point about them is they're closures. They bind to the state outside of themselves, inside the function that creates them, and then that continues to exist long after that function exits. And it might be on the stack or the heap, but either way, it's going to do something you hate the moment that you make a bug with it. And it probably is a bug. And just to finish, worst heckling I've ever had from an audience, and you've all been lovely, was a man in Edinburgh who was an Erlang programmer who stood up in the middle of a talk and went, "But that's a closure," as I launched a Go routine. And I said, "What's the problem with that?" And he said, "It's got mutable state bound outside it." And I said, "Well, don't do that thing then." Erlang solved.
Give it up for Ellie, everybody.
Nice one. Thank you.
We have to do our at best.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that was it. We did speakers versus... Ellie survived, Dave Cheney survived. I think that was it.